Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers 9 August 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers, and this week in this video we are included 5 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. Let us start with government jobs. In government job, first one is Trainee Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangalore Complex. BEL is a Navratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence requires Trainee Engineer 1 on contract basis for EVM production for export manufacturing, SC and US military radars and military communications SBU of its Bangalore Complex unit. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay scale is 25,000, 28,000 and 31,000 for first, second and third year of contract respectively. Number of posts are 308. Application fee is 200 for general, OBC, EWS and no fee for PWD, SC, ST candidates. Upper age limit is 25 years. Age relaxation will be there as per government rules. Selection process. The method of selection shall be based on the marks obtained in qualification exam, relevant experience and interview, video based. The weightages given will based on qualification exam 75%, work experience 10% and personal interview video based on 15% of weightage. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 15th August 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Graduate Engineering Trainee Mechanical at Numaliga Refinery Limited NRL. NRL is a subsidiary of Oil India Limited, is a mini-ratna public sector undertaking under Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. It has 3 million metric ton refinery at Numaliga, Assam and marketing terminals at Numaliga, Assam and Siliguri, West Bengal. NRL has displayed creditable performance since commencement of commercial production of its refinery in October 2000. Since then, the company has diversified into petrochemicals, natural gas, transportation, etc. NRL is also the largest producer of paraffin wax in the country. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of posts are 20 for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers. Upper age limit is 30 as on 1st July 2021. Qualification is first class degree in mechanical engineering with minimum 65% of marks in aggregate. Candidates should possess the required qualification on 1st July 2021 and should be in a position to produce their final year degree of marks at the time of submitting their application. Pay and allowances 50,000 to 1,60,000 plus DA plus allowances. C2C is 17.70 lakhs per annum. Application fee is 500 for general, OBC, NCL, EWS candidates and no fee for SC, ST and PWBD candidates. Selection procedure. All the candidates claiming to fulfill all the eligibility criteria will be called for computer-based tests without verifying their eligibility. The selection process shall consist of computer-based tests 85% of weightage, group task 5% of weightage and personal interview 10% of weightage. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill the application on NRL website as shown on screen on or before 13th August 2021. Next is Project Engineer PE1 at Aeronautical Development Agency, Bangalore. The Aeronautical Development Agency is an autonomous organization under the Department of Defence Research and Development, Government of India, entrusted with the design and development of both the Air Force and naval version of light combat aircraft Tejas and LCA Mark II. ADA has also taken up the design of advanced medium compact aircraft AMCA and twin engine deck-based fighter, as well as other advanced technology developmental projects. Applications are invited for the post of project engineer on defined limited tenure basis in various disciplines of engineering. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Consolidated remuneration is 50,000 plus DA. Upper age limit is 35 years. Number of posts are 46. Serial number 1 to 26. Experience required for the post is 2 years. Selection process. The candidates shortlisted after preliminary online interview will be advised to appear for a final personal interview to be conducted as per rules at the venue and date, which will be intimated through the call letter. The final selection of candidates will be purely on the basis of merit or marks scored by a candidate in the final personal interview only. The candidates must score a minimum of 70% of marks for all unreserved vacancies and 60% of marks for all reserved vacancies in the final personal interview for consideration for selection. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill application on RIC website as shown on screen or ADA website as shown on screen or through direct link as shown on screen on or before 20th August 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Field Engineer Mechanical at SJVN Limited, last date is 17th August 2021. Engineer Mechanical at Rice Limited, last date is 25th August 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is User Success Engineer at Dassault System, Pune. Dassault System is a French MNC software corporation. It is among Fortune 50 list of the largest software companies that develop software for 3D product design, simulation, manufacturing and more. A Dassault Group is a headquartered in France and has around 20,000 employees in 140 different countries. Dassault System is the global leader in CAD, PLM software, 3D design, 3D digital mock-up products, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary offered are not disclosed by the company. Job description: handle customer issues, service requests related to CATIA Innovia 3D experience platform, assist customers to troubleshoot and resolve issues involving Dassault System suite of PLM products. Job responsibilities: determine sources of customer problem and suggest bypass methodologies if available, participate in customer calls on demand to convey technical expertise and deliver enhanced value and satisfaction, run quality and industrialization test and analysis defects. Role is User Success Engineer, function area is IT software, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Associate Mechanical Engineer at Eaton Corporation, Pune. Eaton Corporation is an American-Irish domiciled multinational power management company with sales of $21.66 billion. Eaton has approximately 95,000 employees and sells products to customers in more than 175 countries. Our energy efficient products and services help our customers effectively manage electrical, hydraulic and mechanical power more reliable, efficiently, safely and sustainably. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Organization name is Innovation Center. Requisition ID is 103558. Roles and responsibilities: maintain and enhance technical proficiency in mechanical engineering related development environment, process and tools. Plan and manage development work to achieve on time delivery on term, central project and on plans resolution projects. Approve or reject Innovia account creation, modification requests. Approving or rejecting download access of particular specification or all spec under specific department to requester by confirming the need. Role is Associate Mechanical Engineer. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. Next is Aerostructure Design at L&T Technology Service, Bangalore. L&T Technology Service Limited is a global leader in engineering R&D services with 719 patents filed or 57 of the global top 100 ER&D spenders. LTTS lives and breathes engineering. LTTS is a publicly listed subsidiary of Larsen & Toubro Limited, the $21 billion Indian conglomerate operating in over 30 countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Location of posting will be in Bangalore. Roles and responsibilities: good understanding of aerospace domain, very good knowledge on aerostructures, design of aircraft structure components, metallic or composites, and detailed design, ability to support 2D to 3D model creation, well conversant with aircraft standard materials and process, tool knowledge, CATIA V5, PDM, Innovia, VPM, etc. Role is aerostructure designer. Industry type is R&D services. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is System Engineer Bogie Validation at Alstom, Bangalore. Alstom is a French multinational rolling stock manufacturer operating worldwide in rail transport markets, active in the fields of passenger transportation, signaling, and locomotives. Alstom Transport operates in 70 countries and employs 26,000 people worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Responsibility and accountability: check that the product complies with all customer and regulatory requirements. He or she will build planning and budget in line with the project DFQ. He will propose the make or buy plan to project. He will ensure reporting to the project. Role is System Engineer Bogie Validation. Function area is rail and trains. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Mechanical engineers can also apply for another 2 posts. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Production Supervisor at Rolljack Asia Limited, Rajasthan. Rolljack is a world leader in the field of crushing, screening solutions, stone engineering solution, construction solution, fabrication industries, etc. With our unique knowledge and innovative solution, we help our customers improve their operational efficiency, reduce risk, and increase profitability. Rolljack employs over 700 people, house and more than 20 dealers and abroad. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Salary offered are 1,25,000 to 2,25,000 per annum. Job description: proven experience as production supervisor, experience in using various type of manufacturing machinery and tools, self-motivated with result-driven approach. Role is production supervisor. Function area is construction equipment manufacturer. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen, or can apply with your latest resume to the mail ID as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and mail IDs in my description also. Next is Solution Engineer at The Grey Orange, Gurgaon. The Grey Orange Fulfillment Operating System is the only solution combining AI-driven grey matter software plus intelligent Ranger robots to deliver progressively smarter, faster, and more flexible fulfillment. At Grey Orange, we develop leading-edge fulfillment technology that gets the right product to right place at the right time. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 3 year. Job ID is 4842. Responsibilities: to be able to analyze customers' business data and review and compare possible intralogistic solution, to use knowledge of trends and drivers in our customer industries as well as best practices, automation solutions to advise the customer and the GOR sales and solution development teams, etc. Role is solution engineer. Function area is logistics. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice at Mumbai Port Trust. Mumbai Port Trust is a port which lies midway on the west coast of India on the natural deep water harbour of Mumbai or Bombay in Maharashtra. The port is administered by the Mumbai Port Trust, an autonomous corporation wholly owned by the Government of India. The port is primarily used for bulk cargo, while most container traffic is directed to Nauseva port across the harbour. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. The applicant should not have completed 3 years after passing graduation as on 1st June 2021. Stipend offered are 9,000 per month. Application fee is 100. Selection procedure. The selection of graduate apprentice will be on merit, which is based on percentage of total marks obtained by the candidates in the examination of all semesters. The merit list will be displayed on MBPD's website as shown on screen. The listed candidates in the merit list shall be called for verification of all original document and selection procedure at ATC office. Selected candidates will have to undergo a medical examination and produce witness certificate from the Port Trust Hospital. How to apply? Detailed advertisement and application form can see at the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NACS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. The candidates should fill the application form in all respect and submit the duly filled in the form by hand or delivery or by post in the office of ATC as shown on screen, along with the required document, application fee receipt, etc. on or before 27 August 2021. Next is some last date of apprenticeship training already informed in previous videos. Graduate apprentice at Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited's last date is 10th September 2021. I will provide last video link in my description also. That's all for the details of this job news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Make Engineering World. Thank you.